Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing the May Boxy Charm base box. This just got in today. I actually forgot that it was coming and I didn't even think to check until my neighbor texted me and said she found my YouTube channel and wanted to know what I was going to get in my Boxy Charm box. So shout out to Angie. Okay, let's see what's in here. And for reference, this box was 1 pound and 12 ounces. Kind of on the heavy side. So I'm just gonna reach in here. Okay. First thing I pulled out, maybe this is what's causing all the weight. We've got some Dead Sea Minerals Vitamin C Serum Makeup Remover Wipes by a brand called I Am Beauty Care. Vitamin C wipes, that's pretty good. Wait, have I had, oh, Ole Henriksen. I used to use their vitamin C wipes like so much in the past, and I hope this is similar or has the same effect because those ones are really nice, like for radiance. Let's see if it has a smell. They just smell like typical wipes. Removes even waterproof makeup. Cool. And I am running low on wipes. I used to have a ton, actually, no, I have a ton of these guys. These little Neutrogena ones, but these ones kind of leave like an oily residue. The makeup remover cleansing towelettes. And sometimes I don't like that. The ones that it feels like something is left behind on your skin and then you want to wash your face off after using the wipe. But I think you should anyways. Anyways, let's move on. Bubble wrap. Okay, we have a Trestique Conceal, Cover, and Correct Crayon, and I got it in a bisque. And every time there is something that is foundation or concealer related, I always have to test the color out right away. Just gonna do a little swatch here. A little bit has a pink tone to it. Spot. I have a spot right here. You know, the color actually works on me despite, maybe because it kind of neutralizes like a dark spot. But I'm excited about this. And it has a really nice kind of like gliding texture to it. I would mainly use it for concealing dark spots because I tend to not have good luck with using these kind of products under the eyes because of the consistency of like the crayon. It tends to bunch up underneath the eye for me. But yeah, cool. I like this. Is there something on the other end? No, there's not. But that's nice. I like this Trestique. Oh, that's cool. It's got like a magnetic closure to it. I'm not even gonna put that back in the box. I'm just gonna start using that one right away. In here we've got a Daily Concepts shampoo bar. Ooh, that's different. The only shampoo bar I've ever used is from Lush, and that one I like the smell and I like the idea, but sometimes I tend to find little clumps of pieces from the shampoo bar in my hair like later on. So I did go through one of those and I actually would use it again, but keeping in mind I did find like little pieces of shampoo bar in there. I guess I should have just done a better job washing it off, but let's talk about this one. Shampoo bar. Avocado oil. Oh, this is interesting. kind of like a very earthy scent. Definitely smells really natural. What are the directions on this? Is it like the Lush? The Lush one, it instructs you to like, I think like lather it up into your hands, but I would end up like taking little pieces and like smushing it together. But how does this one work? Wet the bar and your hair. Swipe the bar several times down your hair from the root to the tip. Put the bar down and lather shampoo into hair. It will foam. Oh, I'm curious to see what that would be like, because I know the Lush one, I don't remember it foaming or anything like that. But so basically like this while it's wet, and then see how it foams. I'm really curious. I wish I didn't take a shower yet today. I would have tried it, but really nice concept. And what is this little thing here? What is it? Is this to hang it? Yes, it is. That's really cool. Very innovative. I like that. Try that tomorrow. Next in here, is this the one I chose? Yes. Oh, I'm so excited about this. I chose the Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads. Look how big this is. This was the choice item for the base box. I forget what the other ones were, but there's no info on the outside. Maybe it's under here. It's an effective yet gentle exfoliator. Right now I'm using ones that I love, love, love so much. They're the Dr. Dennis Grossman. Is that right? Let me see. My phone's dead. Anyways, it's these Dr. Dennis Grossman ones. It comes in a box of 30 and they're for daily use and has 2 parts to it. One that's the exfoliator, and then one pad, they're connected, and one pad that is a neutralizer. They're kind of pricey, but I've been using them every day, and it just makes your face like, it's like you're getting a glow peel every single day basically, but it's gentle enough for daily use. So I'm curious to see how these stack up against those, because I do plan on just making those ones kind of like a permanent thing. Okay. I will try those out. Excited about that. And it looks like I have one more thing in here. Studio Makeup Ease to Wear Eyeshadow Palette. Have not heard of this brand, but looks like this. They sort of remind me of one of the Naked palettes. I can't remember which one. It almost looks similar to the one that I'm wearing right now, which is the Too Faced one that I just got in the premium box. The matte, the Too Faced Natural Matte. That's the one I'm wearing right now. So it kind of reminds me of that. But yeah, that is the whole base box this month. Some really nice items, ones that I'm definitely going to use. And that is all for now. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.